Since the building is almost 92 years old, I did have concerns getting the seating and flooring redone. All of my fears were calmed and I was kept at ease because the structure of the building really wasn't being messed with. The flooring, all I was concerned about was, since it was done in the 70s last, that there might be like asbestos or weird things. Turned out to be not as concerning. There were some areas of the concrete from the 70s that needed to be demoed and redone, but Texan Floor Service did a wonderful job in a timely manner and everything was refinished perfectly. The team worked with me on picking a floor color to really tie in with the walls. Same with the finishing on the carpet. We were able to pick a design that sort of looked like the old carpet, but was a little fresher and newer. So it wasn't a drastic change. People didn't come in and go, it looks too different or too modern. Everyone who's walked in since this project was completed has been nothing but thrilled and have said things to me like, oh, it looks like it was meant to be this way, or it looks like it just opened in 1934. I really liked working with Texan Floor Service. They went above and beyond. It showed their employees really enjoyed working for Texan Floor. I talked to many crew members who had been with Texan Floor for many, many years, and they thought of it as family. And everything, all of the communication, all of the reassurances, I felt like I was part of the family too.